In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Bluehost Cpanel and Webmail account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your hosting control panel and how to open your mailbox from your Bluehost account quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the My Account page for your Bluehost profile. Open your preferred browser, go to your Bluehost dashboard, and land on the My Account home screen. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would. It helps to stay in the same browser session for the entire process so your login carries over smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, look along the top or side navigation and find Hosting. Click Hosting to see the list of hosting services connected to your account. If you manage multiple sites or plans, make sure you have the correct one selected so you're working in the right place. From here, look for the option to open Cpanel and click it. This launches the control panel that powers your hosting. Inside Cpanel, you can manage files, databases, domains, and email, but today we're just using it as the jump-off point for mail access. Give the page a moment to load. Some accounts show a compact layout at first. If you see categories, the email or mail section is what you want. Once you're in the area related to email, locate the webmail option. This is the doorway to your mailbox in a browser, no extra apps needed. Click the webmail link to move to the login experience. Depending on how your account is set up, Bluehost may route you to a standalone webmail login screen. That's expected. On the webmail login page, type the full email address for the mailbox you want to open. Be sure to include the domain and double check for typos. If your organization uses aliases, choose the primary address for the inbox you're trying to access. Some setups will prompt for additional details on the next screen. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, click Login. If the information is correct, webmail will load and you'll land right inside your inbox. The first load might take a moment while your messages sync. From here, you can read, compose, and organize mail as usual. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Consider bookmarking both your My Account page and the webmail login for faster access later. If a page doesn't load or loops back, refresh the browser, clear cookies, or try a private window. And if you manage multiple domains, confirm you're logging into the right mailbox each time. That's it. You've successfully accessed Bluehost Cpanel and Webmail.